Now, we're going to now define what this term differentiation is, just a little bit more clearly so that we can understand what this term means. So Fanny is going to just share the term differentiation and just explain a little bit further about that. Thank you, Fanny.
Yes, based on what we have discussed so far, it is clear that differentiation is tailoring instructions to meet individual needs. For instance, some of us in this meeting today, we are teachers in the classroom. Some of us are administrators in schools. So it is recommended that as teachers, when we are teaching these students or handling these students in our schools, we are supposed to appreciate their similarities and differences in our classroom, in our schools, and during our lessons. So teachers are supposed to adapt to what they are teaching to meet the needs of these students. This means making content more challenging or simplifying for students based on their levels.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for sharing that. And we're going to show you some examples of that as well.